Welcome to Workface. If this goes out, then you're watching this. I couldn't have said it better myself. Corbyn Head Beach, folks. August. We're going to head out around Institute Beach, maybe go as far as Gasworks. Let's do it.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle lonely.
You don't want to go in there, folks, because look at that little tiny support there. That is holding up. How much weight is that? That's ridiculous, isn't it? Heading towards Gasworks, otherwise known as Holcombe. Water quality, water conditions as we look out towards Paynton, it's almost like channels of like calmer water, rougher water. It's all over the place. I think probably in a minute we'll avoid the backwash again, and then it might calm up. You never know as we're getting around the corner. So here we are, look, we're just looking at the random brickwork around this cliff here and this strange building, and Nick now has decided to go up. Now I know one thing, if Nick's wife Angie was here, she'd probably be calling him Nicholas right now rather than Nick, and she'd probably be looking at him sternly as if to say, get back down here now, young man. Let's just watch this. Of course, if he falls now, I'm going to go and rescue him, but the fall will be good footage, right? So hopefully it won't come to that. Perfect. Good view up there, mate. Let's zoom out a little bit. On he goes. Nick the Great Adventurer. Nick's got a strange fascination with unusual architecture. He's going to come out now on the balcony. He's now breaking down doors to get up there. Door's locked. The door is locked, folks. The door is locked. But is the view good? Beautiful is the word, folks. Beautiful is the word. That is Nick Hill. He's got a fat stick paddleboard there, folks, just in case you're wondering. That's a fat stick. I think that's called I think it's called something like an Art Air. Something like that, folks, just in case you're wondering. I'm going to keep filming here just in case Nick does trip over it. Of course, I hope he doesn't. This guy's a scout leader, okay? Now, he likes to make sure everything's perfect, so he will make sure that safety is paramount. That is what he has written on his underpants. Safety is paramount, and he lives and I was going to say and dies by that. But so far he lives by that motto, and it's seen him good. Do not try this at home. Not that you'd have a cliff and a strange. It's not a folly, is it? Because you've got some sort of use out of it. A strange building at the top of a cliff. You wouldn't have that at home, so you can't really try it at home. I'm drifting here, folks, so I'm trying to film. So there you go. I needed to show something different on the video channel because I know I'm getting lots of complaints saying you're just showing the same stuff every week, Steve. It's getting a bit dry, really, isn't it? For paddleboarding, you don't want dry. Let's zoom right in. Try and hold it steady, Steve. Try and hold it steady. Nick's going to be doing the same. It's quite a bit of chop today, folks, in here. It's not easy conditions at all. You're getting a lot of backwash coming back out. There's not a strong breeze, slight onshore, which is good, but the conditions are testing, I would say. Of course, the water at the moment is probably unbelievably warm. We've been in it, of course, but I'd say it's probably the warmest it's ever been on record here in the bay. And all is good. On we go, folks, to Gasworks.
15 years old and smoking and rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to time. And I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. One friend left to sell clothes, and one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his 2nd wife. One's just barely getting by, but these people raised me, and I can't wait to go home. And I'm on my way. I still remember these old country lanes when we did not know the answers, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
So there you go, folks, safely back at base, Torquay. Got that scally down from that hill, cliff. Yeah, catch you guys on the paddleboarding, smallboarding flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.